If you're a bigger camper or just want a chair that feels sturdy and spacious, not every camping chair will cut it. You need something that's built for comfort, supports your weight without wobbling, and is still easy to pack and carry. After researching dozens of models, I've narrowed it down to the 10 best camping chairs for big guys. Chairs that balance durability, support, and all-day comfort. Let's jump right in. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Portable Folding Camping Chair. If you want a reliable, all-around performer, the GCI Outdoor Portable Folding Camping Chair is a strong start. Built with an aluminum frame and alloy steel construction, it feels solid yet manageable at 14.5 pounds. The polyester seat with foam fill offers comfortable support, and the armrests make it easier to relax after a long day. With a seat depth of 25.6 inches, it has plenty of room to stretch out, though its 250-pound weight limit makes it better suited for those who don't need extreme heavy-duty capacity. Number 2. Coleman Portable Camping Chair. Coleman is a name campers trust, and this portable chair delivers with a 325-pound weight capacity and a U-shaped frame that provides stability. The polyester seat is paired with an alloy steel frame, making it both durable and relatively lightweight at 7.69 pounds. With a seat height of 24 inches and seat depth of 18.1 inches, it sits higher than many chairs, which makes getting in and out much easier. Something you'll appreciate after a long day outdoors. It's also fully foldable, so it packs down for travel without a hassle. Number 3. LENCE Portable Backpacking Camping Chair. For campers who want maximum portability without sacrificing strength, the LENCE chair is a standout. Despite weighing only 2.7 pounds, its aircraft-grade 7 Series aluminum frame supports up to 400 pounds. Impressive for such a lightweight design. The seat combines Oxford fabric and polyester mesh, giving it breathability and comfort. While the 15.7-inch seat height is low enough for lounging by the fire, but still supportive, it's a great pick if you're hiking to your campsite and need to keep pack weight down. Number 4. Step 2. Foldable Camping Chair. If you want something straightforward and easy to handle, the Step 2 Foldable Camping Chair keeps things simple while still providing comfort. It features a stainless steel frame paired with a plastic seat, making it easy to clean and durable for outdoor use. With a seat depth and length of 24 inches, it gives a roomy sitting area, and the 45-centimeter seat height is comfortable for most users. At 8.78 pounds, it's light enough to carry without strain. The 250-pound weight limit makes it more suitable for average-size users, rather than those needing heavy-duty capacity. Number 5. Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camping Chair. Designed for portability, the Cascade Mountain Tech Chair blends a lightweight aluminum frame with breathable mesh seating for hot summer camping trips. Weighing just 7 pounds, it's easy to carry, and the included strong carry bag makes transport even simpler. It features a seat height of 5 inches, which is perfect for low-to-the-ground lounging, and a chair backrest width of 20 inches for comfort. The 250-pound weight limit will fit every big guy's needs, but it's ideal for casual campers who value comfort and packability. Number 6. Nice Sea Camping Chair. If you're looking for a low, relaxing seat with a more durable build, the Nice Sea Camping Chair is a great option. It uses 1000D Oxford fabric for toughness, paired with a breathable mesh design for ventilation. The alloy steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, and despite its sturdy construction, it weighs only 6.2 pounds. The 7-inch seat height makes it ideal for beach trips, music festivals, or casual fireside lounging, and it folds small enough to fit into a 28-inch suitcase, great for travel. Number 7. Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Camping Chair. The Kijaro Dual Lock stands out for its extra stability and convenience features. Built with an alloy steel frame and polyester seat, it supports up to 300 pounds and has a square-shaped design that prevents sagging. The dual lock system keeps the chair securely open for use or locked closed for carrying. With a seat height of 19 inches, it offers easy entry and exit. And the 26.63-inch backrest width gives plenty of shoulder space. Number 8. Nazhura Foldable Camping Chair. If you need serious weight capacity, the Nazhura Foldable Camping Chair delivers with an impressive 450-pound maximum limit. Its X-shaped steel frame and polyester fabric make it both strong and comfortable. It's designed with armrests, side pockets, and cup holders for added convenience. The seat height of 17.7 inches is comfortable for most people, and the 20.5-inch seat depth provides good leg space. Number 9. KingCamp Heavy-Duty Lightweight Camping Chair. The KingCamp is a blend of strength and comfort, featuring 600D Oxford fabric with breathable mesh panels. The alloy steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, and the high-back ergonomic design provides excellent support for longer sitting sessions. Its seat depth of 28 inches is among the deepest on this list, giving taller users extra room. At 6.6 kilograms, it's sturdy, but still reasonably portable. Perfect for campers who want a chair that feels more like a lounge seat without sacrificing packability. Number 10. WEJOY Folding Camping Chair. The WEJOY Folding Camping Chair is a solid, no-fuss option that balances comfort and durability. Made from 600D Oxford fabric with a sturdy metal frame, it supports up to 300 pounds while remaining lightweight at 7.1 pounds. The 24.8-inch seat depth offers plenty of room, making it a comfortable choice for extended sitting. Its foldable design makes it easy to pack and transport, and the simple build ensures quick setup, ideal for casual campers who value ease of use over extra features. And there you have it, my picks for the 10 best camping chairs for big guys. From ultra-light backpacking models like the LENCE to heavy-duty options like the Nazhura. There's a chair here for every type of camper. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my next outdoor gear review.